Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert words to PDF in iLovePDF in 2026. So let's get started. Now, converting Word files to PDF is useful when you want to preserve formatting, share personal documents or professional documents, and print files, or prevent accidental edits. So first, you're gonna open the Word's PDF tool. You're gonna go to ilovepdf.com and go and click on this website. Now, once you click on this website, you're gonna select from the home page. You're gonna click on Convert to PDF. And here you're gonna go all the way until you find the Word PDF tool. As you can see, this is the one. Now you're gonna select a Word file. You can either upload it from your Google Drive, from your Dropbox, or from your computer. For example, I'm gonna select a PDF here. Now I'm gonna click on, for example, this Word file. Now you're gonna confirm it. Then you can upload files from your computer. Now once uploaded, click on Convert to PDF and wait for a few seconds. Like this, wait for the conversion to end. Then you're gonna download the finished PDF file. You can choose the location for the PDF, and as you can see, it's became a PDF file. This is the one. Now many users convert resumes, reports, assignments, and also business documents. Another huge tip is reviewing your Word file before conversion to make sure formatting looks correct. Finally, the PDF files are easier to share because they look the same on almost every device. And that's it. Now you know how to convert Word to PDF in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.